Assalamu alaikum students. It's unit number 4, Provinces of Pakistan and their culture. There are 5 provinces, that is Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, Gilgit-Baltistan and KPK. Previously we have 4 provinces, Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan and NWFP. Later on, a new province, Gilgit-Baltistan, have been announced and the name of NWFP changed to KPK. We are going to study Punjab province first. This is the map of Punjab. Let us talk about origin of Punjab. Basically, it is a Persian word. Panj means 5 and Ab means water or river. So it collectively means land of 5 rivers. So Punjab is known as land of 5 rivers. Here we have some introductory points about Punjab. Punjab is the most developed and populous province of Pakistan with 55% of total country's population. Punjab was the gateway for other regions to enter in the Indian subcontinent. Let us talk about Punjabi culture. Punjabi culture is regarded as one of the oldest in the world history. Punjabi culture is the culture of Punjab people who are now in different regions of the world map. Punjabi people used to wear clothes having mixed color, which is regarded as beauty. They usually use dresses like phulkari, which have mixed colors. Punjab males use pagdi, dhoti, khussa and shalwar kameez. Punjab has wide range of their cooking material, which is popular like makki ki roti and sarson ka saag. Punjab food include Lahori pulao, chicken, karahi, aloo gosht, pie, golgappe, Punjabi salad, moong chane, lassi and many more. The next is Punjabi wedding tradition. Punjabi culture have many ceremonies and marriage pre-mehndi functions like dholki and mangani. Wedding ceremony includes nikah and dhol is the most important part of their wedding. Punjabi festivals includes they held at shrines of saints that are regarded as Urs and they are celebrated in Punjab at Dada Ganj Baksh. Punjabis also celebrate seasonal harvest festivals which are Basant and Baisakhi. Here Ranja is the folklore of Punjab. Now here we have Sindhi culture. Local name of Sindh is Mehran and it has the title of Babul Islam. Sindh is separated by Balochistan with the help of river Indus. There are 5 languages spoken in Sindh. They are Sindhi, Lasi, Kachri, Thari, Sindhi, Saraiki. Sindhi is the 3rd most common language spoken in Pakistan. If we talk about their dresses, they used to wear loose kameez shalwar. Sindhis love to wear Sindhi topi and they use ajrak with embroidery. Sindhi food includes Sindhi mutton, curry palak, chana dal. These are most typical food. Next is Sindhi festival. They include Tijri, Akhandi, Nag Panchami, Chiti, Chand. Sindhi music is the most popular music in Pakistan and some parts of India. Famous Sindhi singers are Abida Parveen, Allan Fakir, Sanam Marvi and Shazia Khushk. The more pretty, the more profitable. It means that the truck art become a source of investment in the transport business and it has a potential of increasing trade. Next are the games. Malak Hero is one of the famous sports of Sindh. Other sports are Wunji Watni, Kodi Kodi, Thapai, etc. Next is a Balochi culture. Balochistan is largest province of Pakistan by geographical areas, approximately 48% of Pakistan. Balochi culture is primarily tribal and conservative. Balochi used to wear shalwar kameez and turban. Women like to wear frocks and shalwars. Their jewelry is made of metal, which have a great attraction for them. Balochi dry fruits are very famous all over the world. Their special items such as liked and loved by them a lot. They also eat roasted lamb. Balochi, Urdu, Pashto and Bharvi are the provincial language of Balochistan. Balochi is the main language. Balochi music is very rich and played with varieties of traditional instruments. One of the most famous Balochi artists is Rustam Mir Lashri. Popular games include chalk and tree. Also games like wrestling, horse racing, shooting are also liked by them. Next is the culture of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It was formerly known as Northern Western Frontier Province. It is in Urdu it is called Sarhad. NWFP officially renamed as KPK on Thursday 15th April 2010 by the 18th Amendment in the Constitution of Pakistan. Its capital and largest city is Peshawar. Historical places include Islamia College, Ilyasi Masjid, Dargah Khyber and House of Dilip Kumar. Nine languages spoken in KPK, but two are main languages, that are Pashto and Hindko. There are the following dress codes: men shalwar kameez with waistcoat and women wear frock. Pakhol, Kandhari cap and turban are as headgear. Peshawari chappal is very famous in KP. Their marriages include Mehndi, Barat and Walima. Dance includes Khatak dance and Attend dance. Music and singers. Traditional Pashto music is mostly classical ghazals using rubab, sitar and harmonium. Popular singers of KPK are Rahim Shah, Gul Parna, Zeek Afridi and Gulzar Azam. They like to eat shanwari, kabli pulao, chapli kebab and sajji. Their famous festivals are Eid ul-Fitr and Eid ul-Adha. They like to play polo, football, cricket and nizabazi. Next is the culture of Gilgit-Baltistan. Gilgit-Baltistan, formerly known as the Northern area of Pakistan. Gilgit-Baltistan is a self-governing region established as a single administrative unit in 1970. It became province of Pakistan in 2009 and its capital city is Gilgit. Baltit Fort, Altit Fort, Rohtas Fort, Shangri-La Hotel and resorts are included in historical places of Gilgit-Baltistan. There are 8 languages spoken in Gilgit-Baltistan, but commonly used are English, Urdu, Shina and Baltit. They used to wear dresses like kameez shalwar, long cloth choga, chitrali cap. Women wear loose, colorful frock type dresses. Next is the languages, marriages. There are 3 functions in wedding like Mehndi, Brat and Walima. Harveep, Ashurjan and Basmi are the musics. Games and festivals include Eid ul-Fitr, Eid ul-Adha and Chitral. Festivals are games are polo, cricket, etc. Thank you.